Guys, please confirm to me. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online. Please check it, guys. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online. Start చేయలేదు. మాట్లేదా? ఆపాలి. Right. Good evening, guys. Right, sir. And check it what we completed in the last session. What was the topic we have understand in the last class? So if we observe this content, last class content, we are discussing about arithmetic operators, and in the last class we have seen all the operators list. In that operators list, we have seen almost all the operators content. Observe this. What are the various operators here we are having? First of all, tell me, guys, what is an operator? What you understand about it? Operator is a symbol. It able to perform a particular operation over the provided operands. Okay, fine. This is called as like what there, an operator. Next one is after that, after understanding this, what are the various operators which are provided by Java programming language? If you observe this, first one is arithmetic operators. Next one is assignment operators. All right, sir. Next one is like what there? Comparison operators, logical operators, right? Logical Boolean operators, right? Logical bitwise operators. Then after that, here we understand what there? Short circuit operators here we understand. All right, sir. In the last session, I have not given one more operator. That operator is like what there? Ternary operator. Ternary operator that I have not given. But here we have to understand what is this ternary operator. Expression 1 question mark, expression 2 colon, expression 3 semicolon. This is what exactly the meaning of like what there? Ternary operator. Observe carefully. Alright, so this is also be required for us, ternary operator. Okay. Then after that, what next one here we have to understand there after completion of this? Right, sir. After that, short circuit operators are available, double and double R operators are existed there. Then after that, here we are getting like what no examples, some arithmetic operators examples we have seen. Then immediately we started with what there increment or decrement operators here we have seen. Increment or decrement operators here we have seen where a few examples we have completed already. Then after that, we started with some other examples. Some explanation also we have given about this, right? All right, sir. Now, I want to discuss about another example for this, like increment or decrement operators. Now, let us see that increment or decrement operators clearly. One more example I want to prepare. Now, take this example along with me, all of you guys. Take this example along with me, everybody. Take this example and try to evaluate this example. Right, sir. Now, into A is equal to 6, we have taken into A is equal to 6. System dot out dot println of A, system dot out dot println of plus plus K, system dot out dot println of A plus plus, system dot out dot println of minus minus A, system dot out dot println of A minus minus, system dot out dot println of A. First complete this example and try to evaluate it. Don't calculate in air, try to evaluate it, then give output for this. Give answer for this. Definitely from this model, we are able to get some examples. You must evaluate this example. Right, sir. Evaluate it. It's almost all similar to the last class example only, but small changes. Try to evaluate it. Let's complete it. What is the answer we are getting? 6, 4, 7, so 6. Am I right? Right, sir. Now let me compile and execute this so that you are able to get some clarity. CD Java, then 6 p.m. Okay. Java C space tester.java compiled successfully Java space test. Yeah, that output we are getting the like what there 6476. Right, sir. Now we are getting this output. It's okay, but how we are getting this output here that we have to calculate. Now output value also I want to take. In the document I'm giving all this. Try to practice once again whenever we are having time. But these models are important for us. Now let's see that internal flow of execution for this program. How we are able to evaluate this program. Now try to recognize this. First of all, I want to take this program here. Int a is equal to 6. Now whenever JVM executes this particular instruction into a is equal to 6, then immediately a variable will have 4 bytes of memory. A variable will have 4 bytes of memory. Right. Then immediately what we are having there, system.out.println of a, directly a value. What is the a value here? We are able to provide there 6. First output is what there 6. Next one is system.out.println of plus plus a. System.out.println of plus plus a. Plus plus a is what their pre-increment. Plus plus a is what their pre-increment. If it is a pre-increment, first a value must be incremented. 1 minute. Already a value must take what their 6. I'm not taking this. 6 is a value. Pre-increment in the sense, first a value must be incremented by 1 at a memory. So now a value is what there 7. That incremented value will be displayed. Incremented value will be displayed. Already given this kind of calculations previously. Incremented value is displayed. So 7 we are getting. Then after that, system.out.println of a plus plus means that post increment. First current a value will be displayed. First which value will be displayed here? No, current a value will be displayed. What is the current a value here? No, 7. 7 value will be displayed. After that, at memory, internally 7 value is incremented by 1 now. 7 is incremented by 1. There we are able to get like what there? 8. 8 is a value. Right, sir. Next one after that. System.out.println of minus minus a. System.out.println of what there? Minus minus a. Pre-decrement. Pre-decrement is what there actually first value must be decremented by 1 now. A value is decremented by 1, 8 is decremented by 1, 7. The decremented value must be displayed. 7 is displayed here. Then after that, system.out.println of a minus minus. A minus minus is what there post decrement. If it is a post decrement, first current a value will be displayed. Post decrement is what the current a value will be displayed. What is the current a value? 7. Then later on, that 7 value will be decremented by 1 at a memory. So 7 is decremented by 1. There we are able to get like what value you know? 6 is a value. Next one, at the end, system.out.println of a. System.out.println of a. Whenever we are getting a value here, there we are able to get like what there? 6 directly. We are able to get what value? 6 value here we are able to get. So this is what exactly the program here we are getting there. Try to understand it now. Right, sir. The devolution part also here we have seen. That's okay, fine. Next one, observe carefully. Another one is like what I'm telling to you. Right, sir. Next here we have to understand another thing now. Another example here I want to provide. Now try to take this example, all of you know. Next example, try to calculate it. Into A is equal to 5. System dot out dot println of plus plus A plus minus minus A. System dot out dot println of plus plus A plus minus minus A. Take this. System dot out dot println of plus plus A plus minus minus A. Right, sir. Don't take much time. Evaluate in the same way. Whatever the approach I've given, if you evaluate that, easily we can get output. Right, sir. Complete it. What is the output we are getting? What is the output? 11. Any other output? 10. 10. 12. No. So only the output is what? 11. Okay, I'll check it. So if you are getting different outputs, then it will be very good. Same output if you are providing there, it is not at all good thing inside the classes. So no compilation error. Java space test. 11 is an output we are getting, not a 10. 11. Alright, sir. We'll see. Then why we are getting this 11 is an output? No. Try to understand this. Right, sir. Observe carefully. First of all, what I am telling to you, our expression is like what there. This is our expression. Int A is equal to 5 system dot out dot println of right plus plus A plus a minus minus A. As usual, when JVM encounters this intersection, when JVM executes this particular intersection into A is equal to 5, immediately A variable will have 4 bytes of memory. Right, inside this 4 bytes of memory, value is what there? 5. Next term, system dot out dot println of plus plus A plus minus minus A. First, I want to separate this expression here. What is that expression here? No, plus plus A plus minus minus A. If we divide that expression like this, then it will be very simple to evaluate. First of all, try to complete all increment and decrement operators. Right, sir. First of all, we have to complete like what there? Plus plus A. We have to complete it. That is what there? Pre-increment. Pre-increment in the sense what there? First, A value will be incremented by 1 at a memory. So here we are getting what value here? 6. 6 value will be participated in our expression. Plus. Next one is what there? Minus minus K. Minus minus Y is what there? Pre-decrement. First, A value will be decremented by 1 at a memory. Then that is what there? 5. That 5 value will be participated in the expression. This is what there? 5. 6 plus 5. What's the value here? No, 11 we are getting. So that's why because of this reason, here we are getting 11 is an output. Everybody understand this clearly why we are getting this output? No. Right, so this is the way to evaluate our expressions. Overall output is what there? 11. 11 is an output here we are getting. Right, sir. First of all, let me take this program. Okay, output is 11, but why this is 11? The value here we are getting there. Try to understand it. Leave this one here. Another example here we have to answer. One more example. Try to take this program, all of you. All right, sir. Class test public static void main string array. Sorry, public static void main string array args into a is equal to 7. System dot out dot println of minus minus a plus a minus minus plus minus minus a. System dot out dot println of minus minus a plus a minus minus plus minus minus a. Okay. Right, sir. Understand it clearly what I am telling to you. Yes, sir. All of you are getting output from this? Are you getting output from this? All right, sir. Now tell me, what is that output here we are getting there? 16. 16 is an output. Any other outputs? Any other outputs? No. I think you already understand all these points now, right? All right, so now let me compile and execute this. Java C space tester.java. So no compilation error. Here we are getting output like what there. What is that output here we are getting there? 16. 16 is an output here we are getting. Right, sir. It's okay, fine. Now, anyway, now the program here we have taken. There's an example here. Then output value is a 16 is an output we are getting. But I need to give some explanation for it. Try to understand this explanation. No? All right, sir. Even though you are aware about all these points, but I need to give some explanation. Try to check this. All right. First of all, the program here what we have taken. This is the program here we have taken there. Now, when JVM encounter this particular intersection into a is equal to 7, then immediately what's going to be happen here now? A variable will have 4 bytes of memory. Some memory will be allocated. Okay. Now the expression is like what there? What is this expression actually? A value is 7 anyway here. Then the expression is what there? Minus minus a plus a minus minus plus minus minus a. These many things are available. Minus minus a plus a minus minus plus a minus minus a. Observe carefully. Now here, first of all here what we are getting there, minus minus a is existed here. When it is a minus minus a, pre-decrement. Pre-decrement in the sense first a value must be decremented by 1. So here we are getting like what there, 6. 6 is a value. That 6 value will be provided here. Next one is what there, plus. Next one is what there, a minus minus. Post to decrement. If it is a post to decrement, current a value will be participated in the expression, but internally a value will be decremented by 1. 6 value is decremented by 1. There we are getting, what is the value here? 5. Then after that, plus next one is minus minus a, pre-decrement. If it is a pre-decrement, no, first a value must be decremented by 1. 5 is decremented by what there? 1. So here we are getting what there? 4. The decremented value will be participated in our expression. Then what is that value here? No, 4. Overall, what is the result here we are getting there? 6 plus 6. Observe carefully one more point here. Two plus operators are available. What are the two plus operators? No, plus and plus are available. See, when more than one operator is existed in general, that more than one operator will be evaluated in a particular order. What is that particular order? Where priorities will come, priority values will come for the operators. In Java, what are the priority values for the operators? If you observe this, highest priority will be given for what their ID. Next priority will be given for what their parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis, the everything is going to be evaluated. After completion of this, next priority will be given for star, slash, then after that percentile. All three things are having next priority. Next priority will be given for what there? Plus or minus. Then after that dollar. Dollar is one symbol which is having less priority. Actually, the dollar is going to be provided at the end of the expression in the evaluation part. Internally, that intersection is going to be evaluated. Whenever it is evaluating there, internally, that statement will be terminated with a dollar symbol. Observe carefully. Now, in this scenario, which operators are having highest priority in the sense, then this is like what there, increasing order. Increasing order in the sense, ID is having highest priority. Next one is what there inside the parenthesis. Next highest priority. Next one is a star slash percentile. Next highest priority. Then after that plus or minus. Then after that what we are having dollar least priority. Okay, for example, more than one operator are available in the expression with the same priority. More than one operator is available with the same priority where associativity rules are coming there. Associativity rules will come there. Where two types of associativity rules are available. What are the two types of associativity rules now? First one is leftmost association. Second one is the rightmost association. What is the meaning of leftmost association now? Only leftmost operators will be evaluated first. After completion of all the leftmost operation, then only it will come to what the rightmost operation. The same way, this is like what the leftmost association. Similarly, rightmost, that means right association is available. What is the meaning of this right associations? You know, first rightmost operation will be evaluated first. After that only leftmost operation will be performed here now. So now in Java, maximum everything is going on with what their left associations. All the star slash percentile, all are like what their left associations only. We are not having anything about like what their right associations in the case of Java. Maybe in other programming languages, maybe right associations are available. In the case of this Java, these operators are having what their left associations. So we are going to evaluate all the concepts as per what their left associations. Now let's come for this example here. 6 plus 6 plus 4. That means here 2 plus 2 operators are available. Both are having same priority. So which operation has to be performed first? Of course, in this example, if you take any one is the first one, then we are able to get final result is same. But same result may not come in every cases now. In the remaining cases, maybe we may have the different values there. But anyway, we have to follow the rule. What is the rule here? We have to follow leftmost association. So first of all, left association here we have to follow in the sense. First we have to evaluate leftmost expression first. 6 plus 6. First here we have to evaluate. That is 12. After that, plus what next one here? 4. All right, sir. Now 12 we evaluated there. 12 plus 4. Next we have to evaluate this particular one. There we are getting the overall result is like what there? 16 is a value here we are getting. Right, so now this is what exactly the meaning of like what there, like evaluating this particular example. Right now, this is like what there? Priority values. Priorities. That means operators priorities. Operators priorities. Then after that, associations, operators priorities and associativity rules. Associativity rules. Right, sir. Now this is the point here we have to understand clearly. Right, sir. 1 minute. Then after that, after understanding these points here, next example. Now this time we have to evaluate that example properly. Right, sir. Take all of next example. Into a is equal to 8. Into a is equal to 8. System dot out dot println of system dot out dot println of a plus plus a plus plus minus plus plus a star minus minus a minus a minus minus. Yes, Praveen. Mathematically 16 is wrong answer. How? Praveen. What is also calculation in mathematics? 6 plus 5 plus 4, no? How 5 here? Okay. Right, sir. What is the answer for it? Minus minus 90107. Then your answer is minus 1. 91 minus 91. Any other answer? Minus 107, minus 91. Come on. What's the answer? Only 0. 0. Okay. 89. Right, sir. Good. Nice. I'm expecting this type of answers from all of you. If you give multiple answers, my work will be very simple. If all of you are giving right answers, no, it's a boring class. All right. Now let me. I'm going to compile it, guys. Now, once again, I'm asking to you, how many of you are getting minus 91 is an answer? Raise your hands. Minus 100, minus 107, two members, right? Minus 0, that means 0 only. 0. Right. Very good. Right, sir. What about the remaining members? Minus 91. Okay. Let me compile and execute this. Java C space tester.java compiled successfully. Java space tester. Last time I'm asking there, what's the answer? Minus 91. Minus 91. Those who are saying minus 91. Any changes in our answer? Confident, right? Okay, sir. Right. Let me check this one. Minus 91 is the right answer. Not 0. Minus 91 is the right answer. Right, sir. Then output is what there? Minus 91. So let's see then how this minus 91 output we are getting there. So most of the people are not getting answer like this. Now let us check this. Right, first of all, let me copy this example here. Right now, this is the program. When JVM execute this particular intersection into A is equal to 8. First of all, listen guys, all of you listen carefully. Don't have discussions. A value is 8. Alright, now I want to take this expression now. A plus plus minus plus plus A star minus minus A minus A minus minus. This expression initial value is 8. First of all, understand it. A plus plus in the sense current A value will be participated in the expression, but internally A value is incremented by 1. It is incremented by 1, that is what there 9. Next one is what there minus plus plus A. Plus plus A is what there pre-increment. First incrementation will be performed over the variable. So 9 is incremented by 1. There we are able to get what is that output here? No, 10 is an output here. Now here we are able to get like what there 10 now. 10 is an output. Okay. Next one star. Next one is minus minus A. Minus minus A is what there pre-decrement. Pre-decrement in the sense first A value will be decremented at memory. 10 is decremented by 1. There we are able to get what value here? 9 now. 9 will be participated in the expression. Next one is what there? Minus. A minus minus. A minus minus is what there? Post decrement. Post decrement in the sense current A value will be participated in the expression. Later on, that value will be decremented by 1. 9 is decremented by 1. There what we are able to get there? 8 is the answer here we are getting. That's so common. 8 is a value. Now our expression is ready. Now observe carefully here. Because of this reason, I given some priorities now. I think you might be forgotten about this. Some people are thinking about it 9 minus 9, 0. 0 star something else, no, 0. People are calculating in this way. It's a wrong approach. And some people are calculating 8 minus 10 now, minus 2. Minus 2 star 9 now. What's the value here? Minus 18, minus 9 now. Like this, some people are maybe calculating this way. No, this also be wrong. Minus star minus operators are available. So first priority will be available for what their star. We have to evaluate that star first. We have to evaluate what their star first. So here, what we are getting there, observe carefully. 8 is a value minus 10 star 9. What's the value? You know, 90 minus a 9. Right, sir. Now again here, two minus operators are available. Following left associations, as per this, leftmost operation will be evaluated first. So 8 minus 90. What's the value here we are able to get there? What's the value? 82 minus, what's the value? 9. 82 minus 9. What's the value? Sorry, minus. Yeah, minus 82. 8 minus 90. Minus 82 minus 9. What's the value now? Minus 91. That's the reason why we are getting output like this. Right, sir. The devaluation part here we have to understand in this way. Right. Right, sir. Process is evaluated in this way. Now try to understand it. Right, sir. One more example. You must evaluate fastly. Another example. Int a is equal to 5. System dot out dot println of system dot out dot println of minus a star plus a plus a minus star plus a. Right, sir. What's the value? 45. Any other answers? 45. Right, sir. So let me compile and execute this. Java C space tester.java compiled successfully. Java space test. 45 is the right answer. 45 is the answer here. Right, so now let's come for this one more example. This example, now let me complete it. How this value we are getting there. First of all, we are having expression like this. Right, sir. First of all, a variable will have memory, 4 bytes of memory, where the value is what there, 5. Value is what there, 5. Observe carefully. Then after that, after understanding this, now expression here we have to take like what there. What is this expression now? Minus a star plus a plus a minus star plus a. First of all, minus a, that is what their pre-decrement. 5 is decremented by 1 first. 4 is a value. That 4 will participate in our expression. Next one is a star. Plus plus A. Again here pre-increment. The first A value will be incremented by 1. 4 is incremented by 1. So here we are getting what there 5. That 5 value will be participated in the expression. Plus A minus minus. A minus minus in the sense post decrement. Current A value will be participated in the expression. That is what there 5. But internally 5 is decremented by 1. 5 is decremented by 1. There we are able to get what is the value? No, 4 is a value here we are getting. Next one is like what there star. After that plus plus K pre-increment. So first A value will be incremented by 1. A is incremented by 1. Now the value is like what there 5 is a value we are getting. 5 is participated in the expression. Right, so now this is the basic awareness here we can understand. Now understand this clearly. Here two star operators are available, one plus operator is available. When compared with star and plus, first star operator is getting more priority. Star operator must be evaluated first. There here what we are able to get there star 4 star 5, 5 star 5. Then here the case is what there which star has to be evaluated first. Two stars are available, but which star has to be evaluated first? If you observe this, now operators are following left association. Leftmost star has to be evaluated first. That is a 4 star 5 must be evaluated first. 4 star 5. What is the value here? No 20 plus then what next one here? No 5 star 5. Then okay plus star operators are available. Then what we have to do there? Next one now 5 star 5 must be evaluated first. So here we are getting like what value here? Observe carefully. Now 20 plus here what we are getting there 25. Now the value is like what there 45. 45 is an output here we are getting. Right, so now this is the total evaluation part for the example. Okay, this is an example here we can understand. Next one more example. This is another model but try to complete it. Int A is equal to 7. System dot out dot println of right sir minus minus k plus minus minus k minus plus k minus a plus star plus k minus plus k then plus k plus minus k semicolon. Right, sir. What is the value we are getting there? What is the value? 30. Okay. 30 or 29? 30 or 29? Please check once again. Alright, sir. What is the output now? 29 or 30? Java C space tester.java. Compiled successfully. Java space tester. 30 is the right answer. 30 is the right answer. 30. Now check it how we are able to get this total expression here. Right, sir. First of all, here we have taken into a is equal to what's the value, sir? Now tell me 7. 7 is the a value. Observe carefully. 7 is the a value here we have to understand. Then after that, here we are providing what there some expression. Inside this expression, better to separate these single operators and double operators. Then easily here we are able to get it. Okay. Now try to understand it clearly. What we are getting the clarity now after this. First of all, a variable will have 4 bytes of memory. In 4 bytes of memory, we are able to have the value like what there 7. 7 is the value. Right, 7 is the value. Now observe carefully. First of all, here what we have to evaluate there inside the brackets, all this increment and decrement operators must be evaluated first. First, what we have to do there, minus minus k. That means pre-decrement. Pre-decrement in the sense, first a value will be decremented by 1. So that value is like what there, 6. 6 is the value. Here we are getting that 6 will be participated in the expression. Observe carefully. Here the value is what there, 6. Then after that, what next one here, after completion of this, no, again minus minus k. Again, what there? Minus minus k. Observe carefully. If it is minus minus k, and what I am telling there again, no pre-decrement. If it is a pre-decrement, no. Alright, sir. Observe carefully. That 6 value is decremented by 1. Here we are able to get like what value here? No. 5 is a value here we are getting. Observe carefully. Here we are able to get like what there? 5. 5 is a value here we are getting. Next one is after completion of this. Now here what we have to do there? Now again here parenthesis here we have to get. Now this time it is what there plus plus k. That is a pre-increment. Whenever it is a pre-increment now 5 value is incremented by 1. That is what value here now 6 we are getting. That 6 value will be participated in the expression minus. Then after that, after completion of this, then what next one here? A minus minus a plus plus we are getting. That is what their post increment. So current A value will be participated in our expression. What is the current A value here now? 6. 6 will be participated. There we are getting what there star. Now internally A value must be incremented or not? 6 must be incremented by 1. What is the value here we are getting there now? 7. 7 is a value here we are getting there. Observe carefully. Then after that, again here parenthesis here we have to take. Now inside this, then what we have to do there? Plus plus k. Plus plus k in the sense what there? Pre-increment. Now current value is what there? 7. 7 is incremented by 1. So here we are able to get what value here? 8. 8 will participate in the expression. Minus plus plus k. What is this plus plus k here we are getting there? That's again here pre-increment. If it is a pre-increment now, again here A value will be incremented by 1, 8 is incremented by 1. Here we are able to get what value here now? 9. 9 will participate in our expression. Okay, fine. Then after that, plus now here plus here. Plus is what there again? Pre-increment. If it is a pre-increment now, 9 value is incremented by 1. So here we are able to get what value here? 10 now. 10 will participate in our expression. Next one is what there? Plus. Next one is what there? Minus k. That means pre-decrement. First A value will be decremented by 1. Now that is what there? 9. 9 will participate in our expression. Sir, am I right or not? As is here, we are getting values or not? That's okay, fine. All right, sir. Then what next one here? After completion of all these values here, next what we are able to understand. First, we have to evaluate inside the brackets. As a first step, we have to evaluate inside the brackets. 6 plus a 5. What's the value here? 11. Minus 6 minus 6. What's the value? 0. Then a star. What next one here? 8 minus 9. Minus 1. Then what next one? Plus 10 plus 9. What's the value? 19. Now observe carefully. In this scenario, minus a star plus operators are available. First, which operation must be evaluated first? You know, star operation. Now it's very clear that 0 star minus 1. So what's the value here? 11. Then after that 0 minus 0. Then 0 star minus 1 is what there? 0. That means minus 0. Then what next one here? Plus 19. Now observe carefully. Minus plus 2 operators are existed here. First, which one must be evaluated first? No, 11 minus 0 must be evaluated first. So what's the value here? We are getting there 11 value. 11 plus what's the value here? We are getting 19. 11 plus 19. What's the value? No. Come on, sir. What's the value we are getting there? 30. 30 is the value here we are getting. Now this is the way of evaluating these expressions clearly. Anyway, sir, then all these examples, I'm providing this explanation also in the diagram here. Now try to evaluate once, try to check once about all these things so that we are able to get some awareness now. Got it or not? Last example, but try to evaluate this. Last example, all of you know. Int a is equal to 5. Int a is equal to 5. Int a is equal to 5. System dot out dot println of plus a star minus a slash 2 minus plus a. Right, sir. What's the value we are getting? 9. Any other answers? Any other answers? Right, so now let me compile and execute this. Now here, Java C space tester.java compiled successfully. Java space test. 9 is an answer here we are getting. Okay, fine. How, sir? How we are getting this 9 is an answer there? Now let me check this. First of all, let me take this expression. A value is 5. Into A is equal to 5. Then the expression is available here. Plus plus k star minus minus k. Okay. Then what next one here? Then after that, like this. Here we have to separate this expression in this way. First of all, we have to complete like what there? Increment and decrement operators here we have to complete. So first of all, a variable will have 4 bytes of memory. In that 4 bytes of memory, initial value is what there? 5. 5 is a initial value. Observe carefully. Now here, what we are able to get there? Plus plus k. Plus plus a in the sense it is what there? Pre-increment. A value is incremented by 1. So here what is the value here? No, 6. 6 value will be participated in the expression. Next one is what there? Star. Minus minus k. Minus minus is what there? Pre-decrement. First value, a value will be decremented by 1 now. 6 is decremented by 1 now. There what we are able to get there? 5 is a value. Observe carefully. Here 5 we are getting 5 slash 2. Then what next one here? Minus. Again now it is what there? Plus plus k. Plus plus is what there? Pre-increment. If it is a pre-increment, 5 is incremented by 1. So what's the value here we are getting there? No, 6. 6 is the value here we are getting. Alright, so now we are getting like what value here? 6. Now observe carefully what next one here after completion of this particular one. Alright, sir. Now here star slash minus operators are available. Anyway, star slash minus if we compare now, star slash are having more priority when compared with minus. So star and slash we have to perform. But star and slash are having same priority. When they're having same priority, left association is going to be performed. What is that left association here? First leftmost operation will be performed first. What is that leftmost operation here? No, 6 star 5. What is the value here? No, 30. 30 slash 2. What next one here? Minus 6. Again here slash 6. Two operators are available. Slash minus. Two things are existed here. Slash minus in the sense slash operator is getting more priority. So first of all, which operation will be performed first here? 30 slash 2 must be performed first. Then what's the value here we are getting there? No, it will be like what there? 15 minus what's the value here? No, 6 we are getting. So what is the resultant value here we are getting there? 15 minus 6. What is the value here? No, what's the value here? 9. 9 is the value here we are getting. Right, so now this is the explanation here we have to understand. That's okay, guys. Then I think so. All of you are getting awareness on this type of examples, increments and decrements there. So then, whenever we are having the chances to explain this type of topics without having fear, try to complete these examples effectively. In which way you understood all these points here. Definitely, in the company written test, you are able to get these examples actually. This type of examples we are able to get on a company written test. Then try to evaluate that without having any confusion. Leave this one. And one more thing I'm telling to you, this is Tuesday, next coming week Tuesday, one company is coming to us, almost all finalized, that company there. So for the sake of the drive, of course, it is not for the sake of you. It is not for the sake of you. Understand it what I'm telling here? So it will be for some other batch there. Actually, that company is looking for only core Java students up to collection framework required. But you are almost all kids in Java. That company is not for you. But if you want to come for it and if you want to see that question paper, what I am going to give there for that company, behalf of that company, we can attend for it. But otherwise, not mandatory for you to attend for it. Understand it clearly? This Tuesday, I'm going to conduct the test. Got it now? Tuesday at morning time. Again, details will come on notice board there. Coming Tuesday, that company will come there. The details of that company, everything will provide there. So what I am telling there here, recruitments, that means company drives will be conducted here now. As part of that, we are going to get it on that Tuesday. So if we are going to conduct one test on Tuesday, we'll filter the people. Then we have to send that people to the respective company maybe in the next day or next day. There we are going to get some process there. The company will take care about the process. First of all, I have to conduct one test. Why? Because hundreds of people are available here at Durgasoft at present. If I send all of them to the company, they are unable to manage. Moreover, they are expecting the topmost 25 to topmost 30 members. So I have to filter the people. So I will conduct one written test on the basis of the Java. Those who are selected in that people will go to the respective company process. Here first I need to conduct one filtration test. So there is a clear-cut process for it. If any company wants to take people from our institute, first of all, I have to send topmost people only. So I need to find the topmost people. To find the topmost people, I will conduct one written test. But of course, the written test is not for the sake of you. Again and again, I'm telling there. Just intimation I'm telling there. Whenever we are in the right part, definitely you will get number of companies now. Actually, every company nowadays looking for Springboard microservices actually. But occasionally, one or two companies are looking for only core Java people depending on their other products requirement. They might be have their own products. They might be have their own products, but for their products, core Java is the basic one. So they are going to take the people on core Java. Once they are taking the people on core Java, they will give some training for them and they will keep them in their product. Understand it? No? So anyway, then this is one of the intimation I'm telling to you. If you want to see that question paper, but even after writing that question paper also, you should not get any disappointment because you are at very low, 0.002 percentage you are in Java. But how it is possible to clear that exams now? The better not to attend for it. But I'm giving intimation there. Even if you want to check yourself there, then come here, write the exam there, but try to check your knowledge, how much you are having there. Maybe from these topics you may get one or two questions in the written test what I'm going to give there, where one or two questions only you are able to get it. Better not to attend for it, but still if you are interested for it, you can come for it. Okay, but the test is for some other batch people, not for you anyway. Right, sir. Right now, what type of test you are going to conduct on Tuesday? Test in the sense it's like offline test only, not in online test actually. Then people have to come here and they have to attempt for the written test where multiple choice questions are going to be provided. Multiple choices answers are going to be provided here. So there some environment is going to be happen. Right, sir. Anyway, then again I will talk about this one. Then finally here we understood this total operators now. All right, sir. One example. Next example. Now try to follow this next example. All of you know. Try to take this, but in a different example. Assignment operators here we have to understand. Try to take this assignment operators part. Right, sir. Now all of you take this one. Into A is equal to 10 now. Into A is equal to 10. Take this program along with me. Into A is equal to 10 now. System dot out dot println of A value. System dot out dot println of system dot out dot println of no before that A plus is equal to 2, then system dot out dot println of A minus is equal to 2, system dot out dot println of A star is equal to 2, system dot out dot println of A slash is equal to 2, system dot out dot println of a percentile is equal to 2 system dot out dot println of a. And finally, system dot out dot println of a. Here we displayed. That's okay, fine. All these are like what their assignment operators we have to complete. Sir, all these are assignment operators. Example on assignment operators here we are providing. Try to check this. It's clear? All of you are getting clarity on this? What are the outputs here we are getting there? First output is what there? 10. Next output is what? 12. Next output is what? Again 10. Next output is what? Yes? 20 or 10? 20. Next output is what? 10. Last output is what? 0, 5. 0 or 5? That you have to decide. I think these answers everybody is getting. Last answer people are getting confusion. 0 or 5? Reminder we have to get. We have to get only reminder value, not integral value. Right. What is the reminder value we are getting now? 0. 2, 5, 10. No reminder is available. 0 is the value here. Let me check it. What are the values here we are getting now? Right. Java C space tester.java. Compiled successfully. Java space tester. Here we are able to get. These are the values here we are getting. That's okay, fine. All right, sir. Now, anyway, now this is a program here on the base of like what there assignment operators. All right, output also here we are getting. All right, sir. Then after that, that's okay, fine. Okay. All right, sir. That's fine. That's all for today. Then I will explain this topic in the next class. Again, I will show that total what I'm telling to you, the total explanation I will provide for this program, how these outputs are generated. Don't worry. The next class. So tomorrow is Saturday, right? Tomorrow is Saturday, right? Even though Saturday, no problem, class is going on. Try to attend for the class. On Sunday, holiday. Sunday holiday due to Christmas and as well as Sunday. Tomorrow Saturday working day only. Not working day actually Saturday, learning day. Right? So don't worry, then you have to utilize your day. Tomorrow we have a session. Don't miss that class there. Tomorrow, very, very important topic I'm going to discuss. You never seen the topic on tomorrow. Even throughout our life, you might not be seen the topic. Such important topic I'm going to discuss. Without failure, try to attend for the tomorrow session. Tomorrow we'll explain this once again in a diagrammatic manner. After that, I'll move forward the next content there. Right? Thank you guys. Thanks a lot. Tomorrow we'll see the remaining part. No, no. That we are not going to do anything with that, but internally whenever it is parsing, whenever the compiler is parsing there, for the sake of simplification, for the sake of starting point and ending point, no, it will keep dollar at the end to show that expression is ending point. The compiler internal recognition purpose it will provide. As you know that dollar is getting least priority. That's the point. It is possible to provide the exam paper on online, please. Okay, maybe then I will provide that exam paper there. Don't worry. But first of all, not on the day. Maybe that is our conducted exam only. Then I will send that paper to you. You can check your answers. But answers key I will not send there. I will not share that key to prepare that key. Okay. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot. Yeah. Without answers, you have to implement. Right. That is a exam paper, na, right? Yeah. Okay. Fine. Thank you.